It has never been this easy to create stunning faceless videos using Chat GPT with a single prompt using InVideo AI Video Maker. Now this has to be one of the laziest ways you have ever seen to make money online with a brand new AI tool that you've never heard of before. This incredible tool will create any type of video with a single command prompt. And you can use these videos to absolutely explode your online presence and earn ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and close sponsorship deals. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do just that. So let's not waste any more time and let's jump right in. Now, first and foremost, before I show you how to create these videos in a matter of seconds, I wanna show you a couple of examples of content creators that are doing this strategy and absolutely making a killing online. So take a look at How to AI YouTube channel. Now this is a complete faceless automated YouTube channel that creates videos, faceless videos in the AI niche. So how to monetize your YouTube shorts, how to make $700 per day using TikTok. And the best part about this content strategy is that he is not showing his face, he's not recording his voice, and he's not even using any of his content. So for instance, let's take a look at one of his viral videos which has 100,000 views. How to make actually viral and monetizable faceless YouTube videos. And if you take a closer look at this video, he's not recording his face, he's not recording his voice or using any of his content. He's basically adding simple background images and videos with subtitles and all these different transitions and sound effects. And for instance, this video alone has 120,000 views. And YouTubers in the make money online niche make anywhere between $15 to $20 per 1,000 views. So this video alone has made $2,400 alone just from YouTube ad revenue. But that's not all, guys. You're not just gonna make money from YouTube ad revenue, but also from affiliate commissions. Now you can add any type of affiliate product in your video description, and once somebody clicks on that link and purchases the product through your link, you're gonna make a commission, but that obviously depends on what product you promote. And also, once you surpass 10,000 subscribers or 20,000 subscribers, you can close sponsorship deals. So brands will pay you a decent amount of money for a sponsored video. So as you can see, you can really make a lot of money with this strategy alone. So this is why I recommend for you guys to get started, because this is the new way on how you can guys make a killing on YouTube with faceless videos. Earn money from YouTube ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and also sponsorship deals. So you can create 3 income streams with just one simple YouTube channel. And the brand new AI tool that I'm gonna show you in just a couple of minutes is gonna absolutely blow your mind, because you can create these types of stunning videos with one single command prompt. So once you find your perfect niche that you wanna create videos in, now it's time to head over to Chat GPT. So head over to chat.openai.com, and once you land on this page, you have to click on Explore GPTs and search for InVideo AI. The first one right here is the tool that's going to create the awesome videos with a single command prompt. So you want to click on it, and once you click on the tool, you're going to be redirected to this page. So Video Maker by InVideo AI. Now, in order to create stunning videos with a single prompt, you're gonna have to sign up to a Plus account. And that looks something like this. It's only $20 per month, and you can create as many videos as you like. It's an awesome deal for everything that you get from the tool. So click the green button, sign up to a Plus account, and let's continue. And now I'm gonna demonstrate how you can come up with these videos. So once you have a niche, for instance, the make money online niche, you can give this tool a prompt. Now, the more detailed your prompt is, your command is, the better the video is going to turn out. So for instance, if you're going to be in the make money online niche, you can type something like this. So this is going to be my detailed command for this tool. Basically, create a YouTube video about affiliate marketing on Pinterest, make it 3 minutes long, add background music, background video subtitles, and also add cool transitions and sound effects. Also add a human voiceover. So once again, make sure to make your command as detailed as possible so InVideo AI knows what to do with your command prompt and it's not going to be guessing. Once you're satisfied with your command, make sure to click on send message, and now it's going to start the action and create the video for you. So once it's done loading, you want to click on confirm. And there you go, the video is ready and you can watch it right here. So now you're going to be redirected to invideo.io. And if you don't have an account, make sure to create one. And to create a free account, all you have to do is head over to ai.invideo.io and just enter your email address and set a password and you should be good to go. And once you have an invideo.io account, all your scenes, background music, voiceover, and everything you entered is going to be added inside the video. So this is going to take a couple of minutes to load. So I'm going to be back in just a second and I'm going to show you how awesome this tool really is. And a couple of minutes later, the video is ready for preview, so you can click on play and let's watch it together.
Curious about how to turn Pinterest into your affiliate marketing powerhouse? Well, you've come to the right place. Imagine a platform with over 400 million monthly active users. Now picture this. You tapping into that rich vein of potential, driving traffic and earning commissions. That's the power of Pinterest for affiliate marketing. Let's start by breaking down what affiliate marketing on Pinterest actually means.
So as you can see, the video is ready and looks absolutely amazing. It has a background voiceover, it has background music, scenes, videos, transitions, everything that we've asked for. Now you can give this tool more commands if you want to add more stuff into the video. For instance, you can add a call to action for viewers to subscribe to your channel. So all you have to do is give this tool a command, add a call to action at the end to ask them to subscribe to your channel. So you can click on generate and it's going to add your command inside the video. It's going to add a call to action at the end. So it's ready. So let's preview it. Okay, I'm going to go to the end of the video.
Release new content. So hit that subscribe button and let's turn Pinterest into your affiliate marketing powerhouse together.
And as you can see there, we have our call to action. Now, if you don't like the voiceover, you can change it with a simple command. So change the voiceover to a male British voiceover. You can click on generate. So I recommend for everyone to spend some time on this page to make the video as best as possible. Now, that's not all, guys. You can also change and edit specific scenes and scripts. For instance, you can change the first chapter, as you can see here. It is 8 seconds long, and you can change the script. You can add more information. You can also change background images and videos to be more specific. Or if some of the images or videos are not relevant to your video, you can change them to different ones. Now you can also add your own media. And for instance, if the human voiceover is talking about creating a Pinterest account, then you can record your own screen of creating a Pinterest account and add it there so the video is more engaging. So here you can edit your media, and next to it you have edit script. And here you can edit the script. So you can remove specific text or you can add more text inside. If you wish to make the video longer, you can add a command, make the video longer, generate, and it's gonna make the video longer. So there you guys go. Scene number 1, changing duration to 30 seconds. So there you guys go. The video is now 5 minutes and 35 seconds long and it was 2:47 before. So this tool is absolutely awesome, and once you are satisfied with your video, you spend some time editing and adding media, change the script, you can finally export. To export the video, all you have to do is click on export, and if you wish to export your video without a watermark, you're gonna have to upgrade your invideo.io account to a paid plan. And once again, if you wish to export the video without a watermark, you're gonna have to have a paid plan. So I'm just gonna go with stock watermarks. I'm gonna go with normal, and I'm gonna export the video in 1080p. Click on continue, and now your video is rendering, and once it's done, you can download it. Now, once your video is ready, you're not done just yet because you have to come up with a title, description, and of course a thumbnail. What I like to do for titles is I like to use Chat GPT. I give a simple command, write 5 titles for affiliate marketing on Pinterest. And now the Chat GPT tool will give you 5 awesome titles that you can use for your video. You can also give the tool a command, write a detailed video description. This is gonna be your description. Now also you want to have a good looking thumbnail like you can see on these videos. And if you're a complete beginner, then I recommend outsourcing this. Head over to fiverr.com. You can search for YouTube thumbnail, and you can see that you can get an awesome looking thumbnail for $5, $10. So these freelancers will create awesome looking thumbnails for as low as $5. So I recommend that you outsource the thumbnail, go to Fiverr and pay somebody $5 and he's gonna do a much better job than you are. Now, of course, if you have a brand new YouTube channel, you're gonna have 0 subscribers, so that means you have to be monetized to earn ad revenue, but that's 100% okay. Until you get monetized on YouTube, you can make money with affiliate marketing. So you can add an affiliate product to your video description, and every time somebody purchases the product to your link, right, you're gonna make a commission. And to find awesome affiliate products, you can head over to clickbank.com. This is an affiliate marketplace. All you have to do is search for your niche. So if you're gonna be in the make money online niche or health and fitness niche, you can enter it right here. So for instance, we are in the make money online niche. So I'm gonna go to e-business and e-marketing. And as you can see, we have hundreds of offers that are gonna pay us $50 per sale, $400 per sale, $20, and so on. So this is up to you which one you choose. Just make sure it's relevant to your niche, to your video topic. Once you find the product that you want to promote, make sure to click on this blue button, enter your affiliate nickname, and click on create hop link. So this is going to be your unique link. And whenever somebody clicks on this link in your description, makes a purchase, you're going to make a commission of $50. Now, I also wanted to mention that InVideo has an iOS application that looks exactly like the one on your desktop. So make sure to download it. It's super easy to use on your mobile as well. So once you have your video, you have your title, description, you have your thumbnail, and also affiliate product that you want to promote. You want to upload your video to YouTube, click on select files, and fill out all your information. So once your video is uploaded to YouTube, now you want to enter your title from Chat GPT. So pick one of these. Okay, just like so. Enter your description. And you also want to upload your thumbnail that you created yourself, or you paid somebody $5 to create it for you. Once you've filled everything out, you can click on save and publish the video. Now, of course, to get monetized on YouTube, to start earning affiliate commissions and closing sponsorship deals, you have to stay consistent, and I'm talking 2 to 3 videos every single week throughout the entire year. Because if you post one video and you're gonna think that you're gonna make thousands of dollars, then you are mistaken. You have to stay consistent, and with consistency comes success. So if this is something that you're interested in, growing your online presence, start making passive income with YouTube ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and closing sponsorship deals, then I would highly recommend for you guys to click the link below this video and sign up to invideo.io. Also, make sure to go to Chat GPT, head over to the GPT store, and search for Video Maker by InVideo AI, and sign up for the $20 per month plan. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to smash the like button below, subscribe if you're new to this channel, and once again, sign up to InVideo.io and get their awesome tool, Video Maker AI.